So hello aspirants, welcome to this session of current affairs. Today we will see certain more important topics for your current affairs which are significant for your upcoming prelims 2023 examination. The first topic is Chapekar brothers. Chapekar brothers were revolutionaries and they had assassinated General Rand, who was associated with your Pune plague. Lala Lajpat Rai has coined this terminology, stating that Chapekar brothers were actually the founder of your Indian revolutionary movement. So these are the important aspects regarding Chapekar brothers. The next topic is your nixtamalization. It is actually an ancient technique which was associated with cooking maize, and the people of Maya civilization utilized it. The Hindu has reported in June 2022, so that's why it becomes important for your prelims 2023 examination. The next topic is Dutch disease. So it is not a health disease per se, but this is a terminology which is associated with your economy. So a country which witnesses uneven growth. Remember, a country which witnesses uneven growth due to the discovery of natural resources like oil or natural gas, then we generally use the term Dutch disease. The next concept is millets. See, certain examples of millets are like jawar, bajra, ragi. These three are generally remembered by everyone, but do remember certain more types of millets like kodo, kutki, then chena and sanwa. These are some more millets which are not that much popular, but it can happen that UPSC may ask these millets in the prelims examination. Now, which states are the major producers? Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. And millets are also known as superfood. So these are the important aspects regarding your millets. Now the next one is Niryat portal. The government of India has recently launched Niryat portal. What is the full form of Niryat? National Import Export for Yearly Analysis of Trade. So it is a kind of a portal which is going to analyze the import as well as the export, that is Ayat and Niryat. So though the term is Niryat portal, but still it will analyze what sort of ayat, or let's say what sort of import also has happened. So remember this thing. It is based on your one district, one export plan scheme. So for enhancing exports, Niryat portal was made, but it is also going to analyze import, that is ayat data too. The export data we should remember over here, that is for 2021-2022, it was around $418 billion. So try to remember this particular fact, because sometime it happens that UPSC may ask this data in the prelims examination. The next is your card on file tokenization. See, tokenization we have already dealt in our previous lecture. Now this is your card on the file tokenization. It is actually a replacement of your debit card or credit card number with a kind of alternative code which will be converted into a token. The Reserve Bank of India is bringing it so as to reduce the kind of frauds that are happening on the debit card and credit cards. Okay, so this is your card on the file tokenization. It is a very new concept, so that's why it is necessary for us to go through it. Now next is your Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, a concept related to your GS1 history. So he was the founder of Bharatiya Jansangh and he was independent India's first Minister of Industry and Supply. He was against Quit India movement. So Gandhiji has launched Quit India movement in 1942. He was against this Quit India movement. The entire Bharatiya Jansangh was against the Quit India movement. So try to remember this fact also. The next is your Ojaik. Now what is this? Who are Ojaiks? So this is a tribal community which lives in or which resides in Kenya. The next is a Snake Island. So this island got famous during the recent war between Russia and Ukraine. So Ukraine launched a strike on the Snake Island. Snake Island is belonging to Russia and it is situated in the Black Sea. So you just remember this particular fact, that where the Snake Island is situated and with which country this Snake Island is associated with. The next is a global report on food crisis. So which institution launches this report? It is your Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, a United Nations body. So try to remember this particular fact. The next is your Ambubachi Mela. See, Ambubachi Mela is celebrated yearly or annually in Kamakhya Temple, Guwahati, which is situated in Assam, and it is considered as one of the Shakti Peeths. There are 52 Shakti Peeths in India, and it is one of the Shakti Peeth. And what is this festival associated with? So this festival marks the annual menstruation of the presiding goddess. Okay, so the annual menstruation cycle starts and of the presiding goddess, and Ambubachi Mela is associated with that particular thing. So that's all for today's current affairs. In the next session, we will see some more important topics. Till then, thank you.